Peace. So I hear there's a new Karate Kid movie in the works, you know, produced by Will Smith, starring his son, Jaden, and being a Kung Fu movie fan myself, I'm looking forward to it, man. It's going to be something really interesting, you know, and I think it's kind of hard to top a classic, you know what I'm saying, but I think the new one should be better on the whole, just because of the effects and, you know, the advancements and all the technology and all that, but I can't wait to watch. So that's my 2 cents. Karate Kid, you know, peace.